have it all lined up right here. This is our current collection. We have the Valtcan Impel titanium pen. This comes in 3 different finishes. The first one being the polished version I'm holding right here. Very smooth bolt action. It comes in a space black titanium finish seen here. And a stonewash finish. Here's our new titanium clip pen. This one has a similar design as the Impel, which you want to keep simple and for everyday use. Very smooth action, and it takes the same refills as the bolt action pens. These will come in the 3 finishes as well later on this year. And these take Parker G2 refills. So Right in the Rain, Schmidt, Parker style refills will all work on this pen, making this a very classy and compelling everyday carry pen. Lightweight, sturdy, durable, and just a joy to use every day.